Hey, you're looking for a pair of saddlebags that are hard-sided and are bolt-on. I got these Viking bags here. This is the Demon model line. They're the large size. They are cut out for a shock. This is on my 2009 Dyna Fat Bob. The bags have a clip in the front for closure, and they have Velcro on all three sides. Helps seal out moisture, rain, wind. They have a lock also included on the top with 2 keys, so they're anti-theft. The inside's pretty big. I'm able to fit a backpack with a 15-inch laptop when I go to work, so I don't have to wear it on my bag. They also come with inside bags here that you can put keys, you can put tools, wallet, phone, so that's pretty convenient. They're universal installations, so you have to cut your own holes so you can mount them the height you want. I added these fender washers, so it just reinforces them better and makes them more secure and stable. They also clear nice tail lights and turn signals pretty good. I didn't have to relocate them on this because I have the bobtail fender, and they also clear the exhaust and my foot peg. They pretty much sit flush the way I lined them up. I did reinforce the brackets on the inside. They were 1 inch wider, so I cut them off just to compensate for having, if you have detachable sissy bars or you have docking hardware, otherwise they'll stick out another inch. So I just custom modified them for that because I have a backrest. But here's a picture of them from the back with my turn signals, so they sit pretty good. I just put one side up, marked it, and then marked it on the other bag and drilled holes. It wasn't too hard. But again, they're hard side. They're the hard side, but they have the leather look to them, which was nice. So I wanted something. I didn't want a nylon bag like like a Leather Pros. I wanted something that was water resistant and theft resistant. So I think these are a pretty good deal. And you can get them on the website. Again, these are the large Demon with the shock cutout, and check them out.